So it's the middle of the night, way past my bedtime. It's freezing cold outside. I should be sleeping, but I am going to my friend Dylan's studio to meet up with him because we need to film one of the coolest videos that I've ever filmed on this channel. I got a pair of $1,500 sneakers in the mail today. I am so excited to open them up. Okay, I mean the value of them has gone down a little bit, but at the time I ordered them, they were worth 1,500 Canadian. Which is crazy. My second most expensive sneaker behind my off-white Chicago's. Whew, this is gonna be a good day. This is gonna be an amazing day. I guess I should say night. It's like 11:45. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you guys. You guys are my favorite people on earth. Dylan is a crazy talented videographer, so I needed to hit him up for this video. I'm gonna be leaving all his links in the description if you guys wanna go check him out because he does some great work. Oh, I am so excited. Let's go meet up with Dylan. So I have a package that I got in the mail today and I'm so freaking excited about it, as I said, because it is a $1,500 pair of sneakers, 1,500 Canadian dollars on a pair of sneakers. And the only reason I was able to get it is because today's video is sponsored by StockX. Now I'm sure all of you guys have heard of StockX already, but if you haven't, it is the greatest sneaker selling and buying platform on the internet. The app is amazing, the interface is so easy to use. You can tell exactly what things are selling for and exactly how much to list your shoes for. And the best part is we've teamed up to do a $500 StockX giveaway for you guys. Any one of you can win $500 to spend on whatever the heck you want on StockX. Shoes, clothes, you can buy a freaking Rolex. I mean, okay, you probably can't buy a Rolex for $500, but you can get whatever you want for $500. And all you need to do is follow StockX on Instagram at StockX, follow myself on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak, subscribe to StockX's YouTube channel, comment your Instagram in the comment section below, and of course, download the StockX app. All of that info will be in the description. Super easy, takes 2 minutes, and you guys can win $500 to spend on whatever you want. We'll get into that more later, but that being said, I am so excited to unbox this pair of kicks. Let's get into it. This is without a doubt the best pair of sneakers I've ever unboxed in my life. I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. This is like Christmas. Where are my keys? So these just came in from StockX today. I've been waiting for these for the past freaking, realistically like 5 days, except in my mind it seems like it's been a lot longer. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whew. I can't take it. I can't do it. I can't do it. These are too awesome. Once I open them, the excitement's gone. Do you know how sick these are, Dylan? Even the box is amazing. What the heck? This is the greatest pair of, look at the freaking box. Look at the box. This is like, I'm like an 8-year-old on Christmas. At least when I was a kid, I couldn't sleep on Christmas Eve. It would be like, 4 in the morning, and then I'd go to sleep and check my phone again. Okay, I didn't have a phone when I was 8. I checked my alarm clock again, and it would be 4:05, and then I'd go back to sleep, and then it would be 4:12, and then I'd go back to sleep, and then it would be 4:15. That is how I feel right now. I cannot wait to open these up. The moment of truth. These are so freaking nice. These are the freaking greatest shoes I've ever seen in my life. Oh my goodness. So I didn't even know this, but the paper is super cool. It's like this wax paper. This is crazy. This is thank you so much, StockX, for sending this out, because I would never spend this much money on these in my life. These are the best shoes ever. Like, Dylan, these are the best shoes ever, right?
They're all right.
What are you talking about? These are the best shoes ever.
They're all right, man. I don't know.
You know what? No, I'm done. No, this is the greatest pair of shoes. What are you talking? This is the greatest pair of shoes ever made, Dylan. You know what? Never mind. We don't need Dylan's opinion. This is the best pair of shoes. I know it. You know it. Do I sound crazy? Probably. It's okay because I just got a freaking pair of Union LA Jordan 1s for free, might I add. I mean, okay, they're still like worth $1,100, so we'll just say I got $1,100 shoes because that's a way better title. Woo! I am so excited. Like, these are amazing. The midsole is aged to make it look old. The heel is crumbling to make it look old. The laces are yellow to make it look old. And they literally just chopped apart a black toe and a storm blue Jordan 1 to make one of the greatest shoes I've ever seen. I mean, look at this, like this shoe and this shoe got together after prom, they had a freaking baby, and look at these. This is, I honestly don't know what else to say about these. I brought Dylan with me, as I said, to give you guys some of the most amazing visuals of the most amazing pair of sneakers. Let's check these things out. No, I think it's 100% official. This is the best shoe ever. Okay, well, like maybe not the best shoe ever, but definitely the best shoe that's come out in the last 3 months. And if you ask me, best shoe that's come out all year. But I mean, you're entitled to your own opinion. I think we can all agree that these things are sick. Okay, there is one thing that absolutely sucks about getting a pair of sneakers that nice in December in Winnipeg. All I want to do is throw them on my feet. Like, I want to wear them every single day right out the box. I want to be wearing them right now. But when you have this on the ground everywhere, not exactly something you want to be wearing $1,000 pair of shoes in. So 5 things that you guys need to know about the Union LA if you are considering purchasing them. One is, I probably bought these at the worst possible time. I got these before they even released and paid like $1,100 for the size 12 US, which is like 15 Canadian, and I was happy to do it. I think it's worth it for me because I wanted to get the video to you guys as soon as possible, and sometimes, especially in Canada, getting shoes from StockX can take a week and a half, so that is why I'm just getting them now. But I am really, really happy that I did decide to get these. But if you guys are considering buying them, I would say buy right now. The prices are so low on them. They're down to like $750 in some sizes. Get them now. Second thing you guys should know if you're thinking about picking them up is that the leather quality on these is amazing. Now, it's not super soft and it doesn't look super tumbled, except it is a really, really good quality thick cut of leather on these. On the back you have a little bit of felt, which, I mean, it is what it is. It's not amazing materials, but I get that they're trying to make the shoe look aged. And then on this swoosh right here, instead of having leather like you'd have on the Storm Blues, you have a really nice soft suede. So the materials are pretty awesome on this pair of kicks. Just another reason to pick them up. Third thing is that this is genuinely my favorite sneaker of the year, especially having these in hand now. I know I had said it in some past videos, but having these in hand, this is 100% my favorite sneaker of the year. Craziest idea. Most unique idea on my favorite silhouette with 2 of my favorite original Jordan 1 colorways. I mean, how can you get better than that? Okay, now number 4 is a challenge to you guys. Since I love this one so much, I really want to get the other one, the black toe with the white up top. If this video gets 3,000 likes, I will buy that. I will make that my next pickup from StockX. I will buy those as soon as possible. 3,000 likes, it's up to you guys. They're a lot of money, but I really want them. So if you guys can convince me to do it, I'm gonna buy them. And you know what, to be 100% honest, I do not even have a 5th thing I want to talk about on this pair of shoes. I think they just speak for themselves. Look at them. I mean, I just think it's a beautifully done pair of kicks, and I'm really happy that Union LA decided to do something like this. That being said, make sure to follow StockX, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to StockX on YouTube, download the app. I mean, you can win $500 to spend on whatever you want. You could get a pair of these, you could get a pair of the other colorway, you could get literally anything you want off of the StockX app. $500. That is probably the best giveaway I've ever done on this channel. I can't think of every giveaway that I've done. I know we might be giving away a pair of Yeezys this week, and I know I've given away lots of other sneakers. I've given away a $200 gift card. I don't think I've ever given away something as good as $500 to StockX. So make sure to check out StockX. Follow me and them on Instagram. You guys will not be disappointed. I'll be choosing the giveaway winner in around 2 or 3 days. So stay tuned to find out if you won. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Love you from the bottom of my heart. Have a great rest of your weekend or whenever you may be watching this, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. So until then, peace.